To make this number pop-out design in Canva, first I will write here sports font number. Okay, and I will use this 2, and in the same I will use 3. So I will click on this and click on see more like this, and I will use 3. Let me check if both are in the same size or not. So both are in the same size, and I will select both of them and move it here and make it bigger. And slightly move a bit so that you can differentiate both the layers. And after that, just go to uploads, and as you can see, I have uploaded 2 images of LeBron James, and I will be using those. So first is this one, which I will be using on number 2, and next is this one, which I will use on number 3. Okay, so I will select this one and make it bigger. First crop it, because you want only the image part and not the background part. So I will just crop it till here, and I will just make it less transparent so that I can use it. And let's make it here and move the design here so that I can just make the visual of number 23 possible here, like this. Let's make it slightly bigger and place it here. Okay, and after that, let's select this image again, crop out this part because we don't require that, and let's make it bigger. Again, decrease the transparency. And as we want to keep it on the same level and also want to display this ball, so I will just keep this ball here, and after that, let's make the images of the numbers a little smaller so that the ball is visible. So I will just right click it and go to layer, show layers, and select the number 2 and 3, and let's make it smaller. Okay, like this. And after that, just select this and move it here, and after that just select it and move it here so that the ball is also visible. Okay, and after that, select this both images and press Ctrl+X in the keyboard and click on add page and just add it here, and just increase the transparency here. Okay, and after that, just duplicate this page, and after that change the color here from this black to white. This black will remain the dark black, and this color will be also changed to black, and we'll do the same for 3 also. Okay, and now download the page 2 and 3. So let's decrease it here like this, and after that let's check again if it is working fine. And after that, I will just download both the pages of page 2 and 3. Click on download, make sure it is in PNG, and click on page 2 and 3. Okay, so select 2 and 3. So click on done and click on download. Okay, so now click on add page and just add both the pages which you just downloaded. Now go to apps Here select blend and click on blend image. For the bottom layer, select this number layer, and for the top layer, select this layer. Okay, now click on add page and click on add to design. Okay, and select this, click on Ctrl+X and go to the first page and paste on it and make it bigger, and after that click on BG remover. Okay, now after that just crop it and select this image, copy it and paste it here. Select BG remover and select only the head part. So this one is done. Now select the other image. Again do the BG remover. Now I will crop till the head, this part, and again I will just duplicate it, paste it here, and now I will crop from this part to bring only the hand part, and like this. Okay, and now it's time to make the changes in the background. So for that I will scroll all the way up to find elements, and in here I will write basketball court. Click on photos and use this image, right click it, set image as background, and after that click on it, go to edit and scroll down to find blur, click on whole image and the intensity will be 40, and just go back and your design is ready. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.